Welcome to Not Just Carrots. I'm Dr. Rosa Guerrero, and I'm an optometrist with MyEyeDr from Vienna, Virginia.
I'm Dr. Vin Bertamu, also an optometrist with MyEyeDr from Vienna, Virginia. Many patients have asked me what food groups and nutrients are essential to integrate into their diets to support eye health.
Today we're featuring our favorite baked salmon recipe. Salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, and it's also a natural source of vitamin D, which helps maintain optimal health in a variety of ways.
This recipe is not only delicious, but it's a perfect low-fat, nutritious meal.
Be sure to also check out MyEyeDr's blog, where you can find all our eye-healthy recipes.